this dream which I wanted to do orchestra, I wanted to perform with all those great musicians years back. You know, and I started driving towards that, working hard, collaborating with musicians, then started arranging. So it took a lot of time to prepare to come to this platform. So I have to say all thanks to God.
Push in him, like he wants to do something different. That is the reason, like he is coming up with something different music. Every day there's lots of improvement and lots of good music.
Music is great. Steven is really cool, and I'm having a great time.
His music is very lively and combines this Western classical music and Indian classical music, even sometimes rock, pop, jazz. It's an amazing fusion.